My name is Amanda and I'm going to be singing a song that I wrote called Rivers Flow Again, and I wrote it for my country, Australia. I hope you like it. Here goes. I'm going to tell you all a story about a sunburned land. Story about the people and a mother's stand. Brothers and sisters, it's been too long since we opened up our eyes. There's a lot more going on we didn't even recognize. Rivers no longer flowing home. Husbands and fathers leaving their families behind. Their wives, sons and daughters all losing their minds. How could this be right? Oh, how could this be right? Is this what it's meant to be? Broken home, broken family, broken country. Sitting by the old eucalyptus tree, koala, kookaburra, come sit down and talk to me. Our mother wants to be free. Heal her with the power of that song and dance. Feel the sweet rain and watch the rivers and dance. Going up and flowing home again. Or growing up and flowing home again. Our communities just want to feel the liquid gold all over the land once more. Hold a bottle in their hand, that's what water means to them. To drink a cup and fill it up without a care would be a dream come true for them. To save them from the drought we're in, we need your help. Help our people, let's all make a stand. And let the rivers flow on through. And let the rivers flow on through. Is this really what it's meant to be? Broken home, broken family, broken country. Sitting by the old eucalyptus tree, koala, kookaburra, come sit down and talk to me. Our mother wants to be free. Heal her with the power of our song and dance. Feel the sweet rain and watch the rivers and dance. Going up and flowing home again. Oh, going up and flowing home again. Bring together all our people in this place that we all call home. Sing our song and dance to her. Perform like never before. Feel the sand between your toes. Feel the wind in your hair. Cold